Hi everyone! Today we're gonna bake turkey for Thanksgiving or for any occasions that you have, Christmas or birthday. Yan. That turkey is about 13 pounds. Yan. Now, this is gonna be crispy outside and juicy inside. Yan. So juicy inside. Yan. Yan. Let's bake with me. Juicy. Now I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper. And 2 tablespoons of Himalayan salt. And 2 tablespoons of paprika. Yeah, it's very colorful. That is already included in my 1 tablespoon, but if you want some more, you can add more to it to get rid of the turkey smell, and it has more flavor to it too. Yeah, just mix it all up. And 2 tablespoons of ground onion. You can add more if you want. Tastier, but only gonna need 2 tablespoons. Yan. Just mix it all up really good. And then I'm gonna use 1 whole lime juice. Just rub it in and squeeze it in. Squeeze, squeeze. Yan. Rub it, rub it, rub it, rub it. So there's a little feather in there. Just to be removed. Wow. And then you need to start rubbing your ingredients. Make sure you rub it every corner of it. And kailangan na lagyan siya lahat ng ingredients. Just to go all the way. Yan. Kahit sa loob, including the inside of the turkey, put some dry ingredients in there too. And then flip it upside down. Itaob nyo siya. Pero tatalian nyo muna siya. You have to bind it. Make sure the wings are tucked in. Otherwise, when it's cooking, it's gonna go spread in your oven. And you have to tuck it in. Yan. Then you have to cover it. You have to remove the cover during the last hour if you want it crispy. But if you want it moist all the way, no crispiness outside, then leave the cover all the way until it's done. Then cook. Yan. Yumminess. It looks so juicy and crispy outside. Yummy. And it's so tender too. There you go. Thank you for watching. I hope you're enjoying my video. Yummy. And then I'm gonna add my coleslaw. You know, the recipe is in my channel too. And the blueberry syrup is there as well. I'm sharing you my secret recipe. I hope you're enjoying it. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like my recipe. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye. Thank you so much. Bye.